Well, g'day there, traders and friends right around the world. Thanks for joining me on this weekend market update here at Pivot Point Trading. All three of the US markets are rallying back into resistance levels, which have held since late November 2014. What I've done is I've given some additional room on the upside before we start getting into arbitrary long trades across all three of the US markets. You can see here on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, I'm really paying attention to the high established in late December 2014. I want to make sure that price of the markets want to break above all of these old swing highs and also, as I just alluded to, allow for a little bit of fluff before we start to see a long-term bullish trend potentially take hold of not only the Dow Jones Industrial Average, but also the S&P 500 and also the NASDAQ. You can see on Monday, we saw a little bit of a whipsaw to the downside. We were on the precipice of selling off. Came into the week last week quite bearish if the market wanted to push lower. Again, it danced all around those lower areas on the Dow Jones, on the S&P, and also on the NASDAQ, but it quickly resolved itself to the upside. Now, we're not out of the woods completely. We still have to overcome some overhead resistance on all three of the US markets, but given, of course, the resilient nature of the markets this week, it looks or it appears as if it's only a matter of time until these markets start to break out and begin to trend. So what I've done, I've just recorded the pro analysis class for this week. We've walked through all of these 13 stocks on the left-hand side of my screen. We've got Apple, Amazon, Baba, Baidu, Caterpillar, FAS, which is the financial ETF. We've got Facebook, Google, GoPro, Halliburton, Netflix, Tesla, and Twitter. We've given very good bi-directional, or I myself, pardon me, have given some very nice bi-directional trades on these stocks. Most of them, pardon me, are orientated to the upside and continuation from really earnings moves. But there's also some stocks which have got very nice bearish setups for the week ahead. So we've got at least some insurance in case the markets want to sell off from these old resistance swing highs. Now, on top of that, we've got two stocks reporting earnings as well. We've got Alibaba, which is coming out this week. Baidu, which is coming out this week, midweek, roughly around the 11th or the 12th, and also Tesla. So what I'll do for these particular stocks is I'll give you an update, the gap and go type trade if it presents itself in the Pivot Point Pro private area for people in that analysis workshop. Other than that, I'll see you on Monday for continued market recaps. I'm very excited for the week ahead. Hopefully these markets are going to break out this week. It's only a matter of time, as I just said, until the markets break out. The sooner that time comes, it's better or best to try and not overtrade the market. Sit on the sidelines, enjoy your time away from the markets, potentially do some back trading, go back and trade some stocks in the past. Very easy to do, a very good conditioning type exercise to start or to help you nail in and drill down onto some analysis techniques of where you can improve the types of steps to trade confirmation, which we can all continuously improve on from day to day, week to week, month to month, and year to year. So thank you so much for watching this analysis. I'll catch you all Monday afternoon for another market recap. All the best. Other than that, enjoy the pro analysis class over the weekend. Goodbye.